Chashalo kaisa pandani bisingti fiogi rezaka Tulashikar Forest Range Quarter Complex te barek. Tulashikar Forest Range Quarter Complex te barek ni dogalam fiogi rekha. Hastini Bolong Mantri Animesh Deburma. Mantri Animesh Deburma ni shaktharung bai Tulashikar amsayo kotalkhe tangjagi tongmani Forest Range Quarter Complex te barek. Chashalo kaisa pandani bisingti Tulashikar Forest Range Quarter Complex ni barek ni dogalam no fiogi rekha. Hastini Bolong Mantri Animesh Deburma. Manjaka Bolong beding ni PCCF te. JICA Project Officer Praveen L. Agarwal, Khwai District Forest Officer Akshay Balu Bardhan, Khwai Zonal ni Chairman Bishokumar Deburma, Basaibari Zonal ni Chairman Tapos Deburma Akosong. Pandani pula bukhangno bufang busakaika Hastini Bolong Mantri Animesh Deburma.
Today we have done a program on awareness on awareness generation program, which will basically focus on sports and livelihood projects. So what is JICA project that has been discussed, and people should take more responsibility besides forest department, because we are trying our best, our officers, rangers, foresters, everyone. The department is working seriously, but we need the support of the people and the beneficiaries. So to encourage them, today we have distributed sports items so that the young people also know about the JICA project and the livelihood scheme, so that they can be self-reliant in days to come. So this was the theme of the program today.
Pandani paithak phasi JICA project ni bisingti Tulashikar block amsani thongkrong sikla siklirong ni yago cricket day football ni manai khwnai yafari rekha Mantri Animesh Deburma. Khwai Nishimi Biplomni Kokthom Chini Khorang.